What kind of life insurance is right for you? Let's start by answering one basic question. How long do you want the life insurance to last? Do you want your insurance to last less than 30 years or for the rest of your life? You might say, well, why would I want life insurance to last less than 30 years? Well, you may simply have temporary needs you want to protect. For example, if you have a mortgage or young children, you could buy a policy lasting 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, even 30 years. Term life covers a period of time or a term. It's the cheapest form of life insurance and the best choice if you need your life insurance to last less than 30 years. However, if you want your life insurance to last for the rest of your life, there are a few more questions to answer to find the best fit. First, do you want your life insurance policy to also provide a tax-free retirement income? If you're comfortable with your retirement planning and you know you will not need additional income, then you may want to buy a permanent term-like policy. Some call it a lifetime term. It's a permanent insurance policy, but because it's not building assets for retirement, it's much less expensive. It's similar to a term policy, but it lasts throughout your lifetime. On the other hand, if you're not comfortable with your retirement planning and you know you will need additional income, then there are two more questions to answer. In your investing, are you more concerned about guarantees or growth? If you say, I want growth, but I want to make sure my investment is safe, then you'll lean more toward a whole life type policy. There are strong guarantees protecting your death benefit and investment, but consistent growth as well. If you say, I do want guarantees, but growth is a primary focus in my retirement planning, then a universal life policy may be the best fit. This policy can provide a death benefit as well as retirement investing with upside market potential, but with limited downside market risk. You may have both temporary and permanent needs. If so, you can get a term policy to protect a mortgage or young children and also buy a permanent policy to prepare for a tax-free retirement. Each situation is different. That's why it's important to speak with an agent familiar with both strategies. One last thing, but very important. Whether you prefer your life insurance policy to last less than 30 years or for your lifetime, you may want to look at a policy you don't have to die to use. A policy with living benefits can provide much-needed cash if you have a temporary setback due to a critical illness, such as a heart attack, stroke, or cancer, or even a long-term care situation. This is cash paid directly to you out of the death benefit of your policy, in addition to what your health insurance, disability, or Social Security pays you. A terminal, critical, or chronic illness can lead to increased expenses and decreased income due to lost wages. Once your expenses exceed your income, you begin to create debt. Even when you're sick, bills still have to be paid, especially non-medical expenses such as mortgage and auto payments, food, and even insurance premiums. Life insurance with living benefits can provide the cash you need to get your family through a temporary crisis. And the good news is that often this new kind of life insurance costs no more than the old kind of life insurance that pays only if you die. To learn more or to develop a strategy for your situation, give us a call or visit our website, benefitsforliving.com. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.